Are you struggling to change the mobile number that is registered or linked to your Emirates ID? In just a few clicks, you can check, update, or even change your Emirates ID registered mobile number. And most importantly, avoid paying extra fees to typing centers. So let's get started. Begin by logging in into your ICP app. Guys, you can use your UAE Pass. If you don't have UAE Pass, you can go ahead and use your email address plus your password. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu button, which is found at the bottom right corner. This new window will be opened. Simply navigate to other services. Some of you guys said in the comments that you cannot find the other services section. So, if you're facing the same problem, try using the ICP website instead of the app. So once you have tapped on other services, scroll a little bit down until this section that says personal information. Yes, personal information, update personal information, updates. Tap on it, a new window will be open. At the bottom, you'll see the Start Service button. Tap on Start Service. Your personal information will be revealed, like your name, your unified number, plus your Emirates ID number. Confirm this information, tap on the Next button to move to step number 2. As you can see on the screen, guys, this message indicating that you are about to modify your mobile number, your email address plus your residence address will be displayed. Again, tap on the Next button. In order for us to change the mobile number that is linked to our Emirates ID, we have to edit it. So to go on the Yes button for us to edit and enter our new mobile number. As you can see this box here, this is your current mobile number. In most cases, you won't even recognize this number. But to change it, simply type your new mobile number in this box below. Once you are done, tap on the Send One-Time Password button. An OTP will be sent to your new mobile number. Enter it here and then tap on the Next button. It's important to keep in mind that the OTP will only be sent to your new mobile number, but not the old one. So you won't need the old mobile number in order for you to complete this process. Once your OTP is verified, you can go ahead and change your email address as well. Simple. To go on the Edit Email Address button, enter your new email address and again tap on the Next button. Same as you did with the mobile number, enter the OTP that will be sent to your new email address. Once the OTP for both the mobile number and your email address have been verified, you can as well edit your residence address inside UAE and tap on the Next button. So guys, to finalize updating your Emirates ID registered mobile number, review your application, like the important information here, your reference number, then click on Next and you will land on the payment and checkout page. Guys, remember, your mobile number will not be changed not until you have completed your payment. As you can see on the screen, currently the total payable fees is 151 dirhams. Agree to the terms and conditions, scroll down and then tap on the Pay button. Wait for a few seconds while the payment page is loading. As you can see, we can pay using Visa, MasterCard, and also Apple Pay. For the sake of this video, let me use Apple Pay, guys. Confirm the payment and that is it. Request applied successfully. You can view your receipt by tapping here on View Receipts. You will also receive a payment confirmation in your email. Wait for a few hours and the mobile number registered to your Emirates ID will be changed and updated. That's how you do it, easy peasy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll answer. And don't forget to subscribe.